Oh my gosh, here I am at the Great Wall. Check it out. A lot of hiking in this damn Great Wall. But I'm at this lesser known section from Badaling, and I was supposed to go to Mutanyu, but that didn't happen, and I ended up going to Bandaling instead with the hostel. It's so far not bad, but I think I'd probably enjoy Mutanyu a lot better. Good part is there aren't a lot of tourists here. So yeah. Yee, it's steep. Dad, if you're watching this, I finally made it to the Great Wall. And you're right, the stories you said when you were still traveling, the stairs are huge. The stairs are huge. But it's not bad. A lot of stairs though. Again, Great Wall, awesome place. Yep, check it out.